Hello. So math today, I hope everything's going well with math so far. Please let me know if there's anything that's tricky, if I could be a little clearer when I'm doing my lessons on it. I know the counting tens and ones probably was a little tricky on Friday. So practice that a little bit at home. When you have, even if you do long strips of paper and short strips of paper, and just pretend the long strip is 10 and the short little square is a 1, and practice counting by tens, 10, 20, 30. And then once you're at 30, stop and count the little ones. What comes after 30 when you're just counting by ones? 31, 32, 33. Okay, so count your tens, and then when you're done your tens, you stop and you just count by ones after. So if you stop at 30, then you do 31, 32, 33. So I hope that one wasn't too tricky. I know it can be. Please let me know if you need help with that. Today's lesson can kind of go both ways. It might be a little trickier if you don't know what the number is, but I think if you do know the numbers to 100, this should be fairly easy for you. If it is tricky, again, the only way that it's going to be less tricky is to practice, practice, practice. And I know we've talked about that before. Practice makes you better. So don't give up. Do your best and chip away at it. And if you need more help, that's something we can work on together when we chat. So if you look on the first page of your book today, your first lesson on lesson 11.5, what they want you to do is whatever number is yellow, that's the number you start with, and then you count all the way up to the red one. So it's so easy to start at 1 and keep counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but they want to trick it up a little bit and they want to start at a different number. But know that if you start at a different number, nothing changes. You continue going after that number. So for this one, you would do, I'm going to do a little stamp here to say that I've done it. So 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. And then I've counted from 48 all the way to 54. I might do a marker next time to color it in so you can still see it a little bit. Okay, so if you were to change and turn the page, I'm going to move myself a little bit. If you're to turn the page, that's what they want you to do in this lesson today, is to start at the number that's yellow and to actually count. Don't just color. They want you to color all of the numbers you say, so don't just color them though, and that could be easy. Okay, but they actually want you to say the numbers. Say them. Practice counting them. Okay, so if you started this number right here, 42, 43, thought I had a color, but I guess not. 43, let me try that. Let's try that. 43, oops, that covers it. That doesn't help. 44, 45, 46, go this, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. And then where am I going to go next? I'm going to start a new line. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. And you stop at the red. So you start at the yellow, you stop at the red, you color from the yellow all the way to the red. You have to go in order. Color as you say it. I know that might take you a little longer, but as you say it, I want you to color it. Don't just go and color the whole thing really quickly. So number 2 is a little trickier. You're moving down 2 rows here. Okay, so you start at 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going to go back here. No, you're going to go to the next line. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And there you go. You stop right there. So let me know how you do with this. Let me know if you need some more practice with this, and we can work on it together. I hope you have a good time with this, and have a good day. Bye.